All right, we're gonna start it off with the Texan. Next up, we got the fiance. Yeah. Next up, we got the Kiwi. Next up, we got Bree, the Scarlet Knight. All the way from that Cone Town, we got the Husker. We got the Brat.
B-Rat, isn't it?
Oh, I don't.
It's B-Rat, Brat.
Go back. She's not only a brat, but she's also the B-Rat. Last but certainly not least, we got the Gobbler. Crowd, are we ready? We're gonna have a clean, tight race. Keep it fair, hands must be and remain behind your backs. The entire confection must be eaten.
Be gone after this.
Here we go. Is this thing on? Here we have the FC Casey's official blueberry pie champion, the fiance. Can you tell us the secret to winning this pie contest?
Well, I tried to bite it and tried to flip it out, and it flipped perfectly onto the table, whipped cream side down, and I could just eat it up.
I think she actually finished the pie in under a minute, so great job. Congratulations on the win.
Thank you very much.
Are you ready? Great. Here we have the Kiwi. She's still apparently eating pie. Second place. Do you think, how did you prepare for this pie contest this week?
I ate nothing before this, so I was ready to
So you were
devour.
fasting?
Yeah.
Great. You
Fasting.
were empty stomach, ready to roll.
No water, no liquid, no nothing.
Okay, do you have any things to say to the fans? Just
I just mainly want to thank Red Lobster. We don't have these in New Zealand, so thank you.
great job today.
Thank you.
Yes. The eyelashes and everything.
My lashes. My lashes.